So today we're going to look at spirals. Now, let me explain what a spiral is going to be. Well, first, what are you going to need? You're going to need a pencil, you're going to need a ruler, and if you've got some colours, you can have some colours as well, because that'll make it look pretty, what we're going to do. Right, let's have a go. Let me explain what a spiral is. There are rules about drawing a spiral. So, to start with, I'm going to draw this spiral. I'm going to draw spiral 1, 3, 2. Let's have a look to see what it looks like. Now, I suggest that when you start a new spiral, just give yourself a little bit of space. So, I don't know how big it's going to be. I'm going to give myself a little bit of space. There's my starting point. Now, all you do is we go. I just follow the sequence. I go 1. And now I was going in this direction. So now I'm going to change, I'm going to rotate 90 degrees clockwise to draw my next number. 3. I rotate 90 degrees clockwise to draw my next number. I rotate 90 degrees. Oh, wait a minute, I've done them all. Well, I just repeat it. Keep going until you see what happens. So I rotate 90 degrees clockwise to draw my next number. Rotate. Go 3. Rotate. Go 2. Rotate to go 1. Rotate to go 3. Rotate to go 2. Rotate to go 1 and 3 and 2. Look at that. 1, 3, 2. Now, if you really want to, yeah, look, let's make it look nice and pretty. There we go. Oh, look at that. Love it. Right. Now, will all spirals kind of close like this? Right? I like that one. But maybe let's try a different one. Okay? So it doesn't have to be 3 numbers. It could be as many numbers as you want it to be. So let's try one maybe with 4 numbers. I don't know. Let's try this. We'll go 2, 1, 3. So it's the same sort of digits there, isn't it? I don't want to go too big because I don't want it to go off the page. So maybe I'll go 4. I could maybe put another 1 in there. All right, let's just try one. Let's see what it's like. Spiral. Remember, just do it with me, all right? Maybe you can pause me. Right, so let's start somewhere. All right, hopefully I've got enough room. I don't know. I haven't done this one before. I don't know what it's going to look like. Let's have a look. So, 2. Rotate. 1. Rotate. 3. Each time we're rotating 90 degrees clockwise. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. 1. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. 1. 3. Oh, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look, can you see where it's going? It's going off in this direction, isn't it? It's gonna keep looping around. However, I've just got to shade in these bits here. There we are. That's just making me feel a little bit better. All right. Maybe I could have written that bit. Let's write it next to it. 2, 1. Whoops. 1, 3, 4. There we go. There's that spiral. And then this one was 1, 3, 2. So maybe you could just draw some different ones, right? You could just have a go at just drawing some. See what happens. I don't know. Let's have a go at this one. Let me just do one more for you. So let's go with 3, 2. Let's go 1, 1, 2. All right. So we always get this kind of effect here happening. Get this sort of nice enclosed where it's just going to keep going over itself. This one was just going to keep traveling in this direction, wasn't it? So I wonder if we could do some more like this. Could we do some more like this? What makes them happen in that particular way. Right, let's try our 3, 2, 1, 1, 2. Let's see what happens. So let's just start somewhere. Remember, first line. Now rotate. So we go 2. Rotate. Rotate. Remember, pause me if I'm going too quick, okay? And then rotate. So I've gone 3, 2, 1, 1, 2. So now we're just going to repeat the process. So 3, 2, 1, 1, 2. Ooh, I wonder if it's going to go like this one here, remember? Or is it going to come back like this one? Let's have a look. Let's keep going. So remember, we've gone 3, 2, 1, 1, 2. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2. So now we need to repeat again. Remember, each line, different direction. 3, 2, 1, 1. And 2. Oh, wait a minute. This is looking good. I'm liking this. 3, 2, 1, 1. Oh, I love it. Look at this. Oh, I like this. Look at this one here. Oh, I like this one. Maybe I could shade in this other section in a different colour. All right, so there we go. So I'm gonna write this next to it. Right. Now the challenge is today. What can you come out with? What would happen if I go, what about if I use 6 numbers or 7 numbers? What about if I put like one larger number in? Right? What's going to happen? Maybe you could just put some little comments in there. So for instance, this one was I'm going to call this a closed pattern. And this one's, I'm going to call this an open pattern. And the reason I'm calling that an open, because it never comes back to where it starts. So this one here would be closed. So what else can you find? What I want you to do is I want you to give me a picture of the best one that you come out with, right? Your best one, right? What else do you find out, right? There's so much to look at here. There isn't an end to this, right? We could keep going with this for ages, right? I'm all excited here about these patterns. I'm just going to try some different ones, right? I'm going to try one more now. And let's go with something a little bit different. I really don't know what's going to happen, right? Oh, that's exciting. Right. So we've got, I'm going to go with, let's go 1, 2, 3. And then we go 4, 2, 1. Who knows what's going to happen, right? We've chucked a 4 in there. Oh, right. Let's go. Let's see. All right. I'm just giving myself a little bit of room, okay? All right. So I'm just moving that up just slightly there, just so I've got plenty of room to work with. Right. Let's see where it's going to go. 1. Remember, you don't have to be doing the same ones as me. You can just choose different ones. 2. See what happens. 1, 2, 3. What about if we just went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Huh. 4. 2, 3, 4. 2. 1. Change direction. So now I've repeated. I've gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1. Right. Woo. Let's go. So now we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's gone back. Now I wasn't expecting that to happen. So that actually turned out quite neatly. I was expecting it maybe to go a little bit more wild than that. Oh, right. So where did we go? We went 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1. How do I get it to go off that way? There's a question for you. Just try some different ones. And if you want to, even change the rules. At the moment, we're changing 90 degrees each time. Maybe you could change by 45 degrees.